You're going to have to use G Suite for this project. G Suite is nothing other than you might have known as Google Drive plus things like Gmail and YouTube. So you can either get to it by writing drive.google.com and push an enter, or you go to Gmail, and in any Google function you're going to see these 9 squares at the top, and you just go find YouTube or Google Drive or whatnot, or Gmail or your calendar. So in our case we're going to go to New, and we want a folder. You just name it, and you push create. It's going to appear. Of course, if you made a mistake, you just go there and rename, or we're going to go over here. Since we're inside the folder, you can upload documents, folders. Google Docs is nothing other than same thing as Microsoft Document. Sheets is Excel. Slides is PowerPoint. We're going to do a Google document. What you always want to do is name it, upper left. And for the case of the project, you're going to want to put your last name. So for me, that's Hala Personalization Project. And then you can go here and you can start typing. You can change your font, which is right here. You can change the size right there. You can even do something unconventional like 11.5. You can, if you put your cursor here, it tells you to bold, italicize, etc. And you can type. Now maybe I want to change the color, so then I go here and I change the color. Maybe I want to have another word, but I want to have a background. So right here you put your cursor, it says highlight color, we'll put blue. You might want to put numbers. So here are numbers. And notice, remember, if I want to turn this off, I just go to none, and then hello. But I want to go to, then I want to indent. And then I can indent again. And if I want to get back, I just put enter. And all I was doing to, when I got to 4 is hit tab to go in, and then enter, enter, enter. Now, if I drag my cursor over all of it, I might want to have bullets, and notice how it changes the look. I might want to insert something, so I can insert an image, a table. Tables are kind of fun because you can right-click and go down to table properties and change the look. For example, you could make it brownish red. You could do white in the thing in the background. You could do a cell background color, which might be here. And okay, and look how that changes. You can merge cells by just dragging the cursor and merge cells. So if you don't know how to do something, just Google how do you do it, and just say merge cells Google Documents. So you're going to have to insert a link for this project. So you just, let's get a site. You copy the URL, and you go back here and you drag it over the word that you want to do it, and if you go here it says insert link. You simply Control C, Control V. I didn't get the link, so let's do that again. CNN, Control copy, and then go back here and Control V, and try that one more time. Control V. And then you simply push that in and apply. And now when you hit this, this comes up. And you can share this with anyone. Here's the URL, but right now it's only locked to you. It says private only to me. So you're going to go here and you can just type in a Gmail address, or any address for that matter. Or you can go here and you can change it. Change here. Anyone with a link can view, can edit, can comment. So edit means you just give them the link and they can change it. Now perhaps you're collaborating with someone and they come in and they want to comment, so they drag the cursor over here, you go to insert and comment, and if they go into it, you go into it later, sorry, you just push resolve, or you can edit, delete, link to the comments, or you can put edits. So you can go back and forth without having to send lots of emails. That's Google Docs.